Yo, what's up, team? Hope everybody's having a great FOMC Wednesday so far. I want to talk about the trade I took this morning in the AM session. I personally lost $364 on the day, which is really good, honestly, considering what my losing days are normally. They're normally a bit bigger. So really happy with the risk management today. It was an A plus setup. I was really happy with the execution. Just, you can't win them all. So let's hop into it. Let's talk about what I was looking at this morning. So bumping up to a 4 hour time frame. We were trading in this bearish fair value gap going into the open. And going into the open, if we bump down time frames, we had not taken Asia high or London high yet. So I was expecting the market to bounce, go manipulate that Asia high to go lower into Asia low and London low. So just bump it down into a lower time frame going into the open. I was looking for that manipulation into London Asia high to go lower into Asia low, London low, which hadn't been tapped into all morning there. So that's why I was looking for that to get hit this morning. And we ended up, catching a bit of a move in our favor, just nothing that was viable for me to take profits on yet, right? So we made that move up, got the manipulation over these previous highs that I was looking for. Then we got this inversion, right? So we got an inversion of order flow. Basically on this bounce on the back test, that's when I started my position short. I was risking at the time just above these internal highs right about here. When we started to get a move down, I actually ended up moving stops down slightly, just right above this internal high. Because I knew if we were going to pop up there, it's likely we go to the highs and I don't want to be in the position anymore. Right. So I knew right away, I was like, okay, move stops down after getting our entry. I was going to target Asia low as first target. But again, if you heard me on stream, given the risk to reward that I had on the trade, I really wanted to see London low versus taking profits at Asia low, because of the reason that if I was going to take any profits at Asia low, I wouldn't have even been up enough on the day to cover one of my losing days. Therefore, for me, the risk to reward is just not enough to take profits, right? I have to at least get that London low. So I knew we could bounce. We were on stream. I told everybody, I was like, hey, we could expect a big bounce here at this Asia low if they want to hold it. And that's exactly what ended up happening, right? We bounced right off that Asia low. We actually didn't even tap it, got super close. Then we got a big inversion right here, right? Big change in the state of delivery right here. We back tested that inversion and the change in the state, and we were off to the races back to the highs, right? So that's when I got stopped out on this 646 candle. It was a brutal stop out. If you guys saw the video on TikTok or Instagram or any of the short content on Twitter, you saw how nasty that candle was when it came through. It came through really fast. But, it is what it is, right? We take the setups when they're there. I'd rather be confident and wrong than filled with anxiety and be scared to actually take my model and then watch it go in my favor all the way to PT, right? So I was happy with the risk management today. It was a W trade, right? Win or loss doesn't matter. It's a matter of, did I see what I wanted to, right? Did I take a high probability opportunity? Right. And if it went bad, did I manage my risk well? And we did. So I was very happy with the trade this morning. Unfortunately, didn't go our way, but we know after long enough, our system works and we will get those trades going our way. It's just a matter of the environment. And like I said, I've told plenty of people over this past week and just over TikTok, like, this is not the day to trade. Right. And I even took a shot, tried to give it a chance, and we still didn't work out. Right. I saw everything I needed to. I thought things looked fairly clean, and we still didn't get what I wanted. So it just goes to show that these high impact news days are really, the best days to avoid if you can. So W risk management, W discipline. I was very happy with the execution today. And we move on to tomorrow. We'll see what Thirsty Thursday has. We'll see what FAFO Friday has to offer. But, altogether, it's been a great month on the account so far. So, I'm very happy with what we're doing. One day doesn't make a bad trader or anything like that. I know a lot of people get in the mindset of, like, even if they get in a little bit of a losing streak, right, they start thinking to themselves that they're some bad trader, and that's just not the case, man. Sometimes we go through losing streaks. Sometimes we have bad days, and you just gotta move through it. The quicker you can get through that loss, the quicker you're gonna get to where you want to be, right? So cheers to everyone. I hope everybody had a great FOMC, and yeah, we'll see you guys live on the stream for Thirsty Thursday tomorrow. Enjoy the night, y'all. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing on the video. And yeah, we're going to be doing these every time I take a trade. So I'm not for sure that it's going to be every day because I'm not taking a trade every day, obviously. But we'll try and be putting out more content here. So hope y'all enjoy.